Pete, what do we know?
Well, the lawyers for the president now say they intend to continue fighting the New York grand jury subpoena for his tax returns now that the Supreme Court has ruled that he is not absolutely immune, as he claimed, and will have to answer this in court. So both the president and the Manhattan District Attorney, Cy Vance, filed a court motion this morning. They both call for a speeded-up process now that the case has been sent back to a district court judge in New York, a federal judge. The president's lawyers would file their objection to the subpoena by July 27th, and then both sides would go back and forth, and the final court documents would be due by August 14th. So this thing's going to move along pretty quickly. Now, in this filing, the president's lawyers say that he intends to take full advantage of the avenues that they say the Supreme Court left open to him. They'll claim the subpoena is too broad. It could be they could claim it's motivated by a desire to harass, meant to manipulate his policy decisions, and would impede his ability to carry out his duties. And they also say they'll need to know more about why the grand jury wants this stuff, about the nature and the scope of the investigation, so they can say whether the grand jury really needs what it's asking for. The lawyers for Cyrus Vance, the New York district attorney who actually asked for these records, say that no, the president can oppose the subpoena only on the same grounds that anybody else would raise, and cannot claim that he's entitled to some special consideration because he's the president. And they say the judge has already ruled that there was no bad faith, no attempt to harass, and that the compliance with the subpoena would not substantially impair his ability to carry out his duties. And they say it would be highly irregular and inappropriate for the president's lawyers to want to know why the grand jury wants all this. So they say to the judge, if the president has anything left to say, then he should do it with all appropriate haste. So this is moving along very, very smartly, Craig.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me, or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.